In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Calendly. Let's dive into this straightforward and user-friendly process to ensure you're set up for success. First, head to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, look to the upper left corner and find the Create button. This is your starting point for setting up a new appointment. Click on that, and you'll be presented with options to schedule either a one-on-one meeting or a group meeting. For the purposes of today's example, we'll select the one-on-one option to keep things simple. After making your selection, a new window will pop up on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll be able to personalize your meeting by giving it a unique name. This name could be anything from consultation to coffee chat, depending on the nature of your appointment. Once you've given your meeting a name, it's time to decide on its duration. Calendly provides flexible options, allowing you to choose anything from a quick 15-minute meeting to an extensive 2-hour discussion, depending on your needs. Next up, you'll want to set the location for your meeting. Click on the Location field, and you'll be greeted with several platform choices. Whether you prefer Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or another tool, there's likely an option to suit your preferences. If you're unsure which platform to use, feel free to explore all the available options to see what fits best. One extra feature that can be quite handy is the Availability section. Here you can specify when you're open to meet, ensuring that your availability aligns with that of your guests. Adjust this as needed to fit your schedule perfectly. Additionally, don't forget to choose the event type, which helps categorize the kind of meeting you are offering, whether it's an initial consultation or a follow-up meeting. Once you've customized these settings to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on the Create button. With that, your meeting setup is complete. The final step in this process is to copy the link provided. This link is what you'll send to your invitees, enabling them to book time effortlessly in your calendar. Sharing the link can be as easy as pasting it into an email, a message, or even including it on your website for broader access. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you're well equipped to schedule appointments using Calendly efficiently. It's a fantastic tool for streamlining the meeting process, saving everyone involved both time and hassle. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.